Sora AI is amazing, but let's be real, it's way too expensive. I don't know about you, but I'm not trying to pay a monthly subscription just to be creative. Good news, I found a loophole.
Go to Digen.ai. They have Sora 2 for free. But don't give them your real email. We don't want the spam. Just search for temp mail, grab a fake address, and use that to sign up. It's like a get-in free pass. Once you're in, click the Sora 2 button. Pick your settings, type in whatever crazy idea you have, and hit generate. The quality is actually insane. It looks like a Hollywood movie, but it cost us $0. Now, here's the funniest part. The website puts a watermark on your video, but then, get this, they have a watermark remover button right on the same page. It's literally like someone locking a door but leaving the key in the lock. Just upload your video back into their own tool, hit deep clean, and they'll wipe their own logo off for you.
I've spent decades contemplating the intricate duality of the universe, only to conclude that the return to monkey meme was in fact a lateral move. Deeply.
It's hilarious. Clean video, zero cost, and no subscription. If you like finding cheats for the best AI tools, drop a follow. Let's keep building cool stuff for free.